All right, YouTube. Check it out, man. Your boy done drove about 4 hours just to get here. Y'all know where we at, man. We're here at Fort Worth Barber Supply. Y'all know what it is. We got my man Edward in the building.
Man, appreciate you coming out.
Man, you know what it is, man.
Thank you.
Hey, y'all know how we do it here at Fort Worth Barber Supply. Y'all seen it, man. We had a 4-hour drive, but we out here just having a great time. You know what I'm saying? Class about to start in about 30 minutes. We got a couple people in here. We're gonna head outside real quick so we can see who's all outside. They trying to get this drone working.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. All right, start waving.
All right, come inside with me.
There you go.
Damn! Oh shit! Bro, they just trying to kill me. They just trying to kill me.
Hey, you signed something real quick.
That boy trying to kill me with the. Bro, my life just flashed before my eyes. Y'all see we here at Fort Worth Barber Supply. Y'all see all the people out here waiting for Seancutshair, Nicole, and Cutsbykenna. Y'all seeing it, man. 5:30 this morning, got ready, and then, you know, I had to stop at the gas station, get some energy drinks, some snacks to drive out here, but it was about a 4-hour drive, bro.
That's pretty surprising, man, especially for a barber to wake up at 5 in the morning and be on time.
Hey,
Look, he was on time, bro.
I'm not those barbers. Ready. We ready.
You know, hey, we got my little chocolate milk.
We got the chocolate milk. He got to get his protein in.
Bro, hey, so last question though, man. We're going to hit up this another push-up challenge.
Man, look, I've been training.
I've been training. What kind of training you been doing, bro?
You know, I've been doing some push-ups all day. No, seriously though, I've been hitting the gym since. Well, I was gymming before we did the push-up challenge, but I started taking it a little more serious at the beginning of the year. I started following, you know, getting back on track with my diet. Hey, we gonna go bug Sean real quick. Let's get Sean on the vlog. Sean,
What's up with it?
say something, man.
Man, say something. We're at Fort Worth Barber Supply for a little class. We're about to do. My guy Tank had to come over. I got my guy George in the building. Got a lot of people show out. Texas always shows lots of love, so I'm always hyped to be there. It's been like a year and a half since I've been.
It's been a minute. Yeah.
So I'm hyped to be back, and man,
Let's go.
Grown a lot since the last time, so we're about to tear it up today.
Let's go. And we got Cutsbykenna on stage.
What's going on?
It's going down. Y'all see it? People coming in.
Forget the seats in the front.
Man, a lot of people outside waiting to get in this thing.
I really want to keep the skin fade really on this side. So the skin fade almost first feet to like a mullet in the back.
Man, it's packed in this thing.
This side I'm going to...
That's what I tell everybody. I'm just doing it. I don't know. Exactly. And they're like, don't say that out loud. Right?
Crazy.
Did you get it?
The only time you'll ever see that is. So the downside is it only records 22 minutes.
Oh,
But
man.
you know, for a long time, but you can control it from here. I'm just gonna have to be smart with how I record it.
Yeah.
It's like the first generation, so hopefully the next one don't.
Better memory.
Yeah, better memory. Yeah, and you can't
Not
put
memory,
extra-
better duration with battery, right?
Yeah.
We got Nicole Renae up here. What's good? You know, they about to get down. We got Nicole Renae. We got my man Seancutshair up here.
breeding them. And so he's telling us, and then one of my clients, his dad breeds
all of them together. I don't really care about the one person that's mad about me not doing reviews. If you're standing here going, man, hey, I support you, man, I'm doing some barbering, okay, whatever I'm doing is working, and I feel like I'm always genuine. So
I got my man Sean spitting some game real quick.
I don't see it like that. I don't really care.
Y'all know how I be getting here after these classes. Everybody trying to get some stuff. You see them making that money, making that shmoney.
And then record reels from my phone, which is the hardest. Like Tank's using this camera. He can flip the camera and hold it.
Oh.
He can flip it and hold it, but that's not how it's meant to be held. So it's like awkward to make vertical content sometimes with a big camera. So I use my phone. But what does phone footage look like? Phone footage. So like this is somewhere in between. So I love it so far. Tank be chopping. You need to get one of these and get on my level.
Hey, can I use a discount code?
I don't have a Best Buy discount. I got a 0 interest credit card you can use.
Let me borrow that thing.
Gotcha.
Hey, Mommy, I'm ready to take you down.
I don't want to take you down.
I want to take you down because you are always the big brother of me.
Fight your daddy.
Mom.
No.
You should be able to fist me in your face.
What he say?
I don't even know. Sean, let's talk real quick.
Yo.
No, you don't gotta get that close to the mic, man.
You don't have to?
You don't have to.
I'm trying to make it peak, so you have to.
Yeah, don't do that.
All right, what's
How'd you
up?
feel about your class?
It was good, man. You know, a little bit uncomfortable with somebody new.
Yeah.
I never cut with Nicole, and
I think it went well though. I think it flowed well.
good. Yeah, I mean, the more you do that kind of stuff, you naturally know how to. It's the same as us doing this right here.
Yeah.
I know how to do a vlog, and I can talk to you on the camera. But yeah, like just somebody different. You know, I've talked with a lot of the same people over and over and over, so I naturally know how they explain things, when they're going to stop and throw it to me. So like we was definitely learning that on the fly.
Yeah, but hey, it looked good. I feel like it flowed good.
I really am glad. I didn't know exactly what she was going to do. And she's DFS trained too.
Yeah.
And I wanted to do a lot of scissor work, but we both were with Babelist, so I wanted to do some clipper work. I feel like it was the perfect mix of like, she did like a low boy with enhancements,
nice.
with a beard. I did more scissor work with a little bit of clipper work. Like I think it was a good balance of the two haircuts.
Nah, it
like
was, man.
Hers was crazy too.
Yeah, it was dope, dog. We appreciate you, Sean.
Yeah, man. Anytime.
Let's go.
My guy Tank be filming. He was filming on the camera today, so y'all check out my vlog too. He got to test out the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. He's getting one soon.
Yeah,
so the
I'm about to
content's
get
about
one.
to go to the next level.
Y'all know what it is, man. We just trying to upgrade our
He's trying to get me to
2024.
get this Sony right here. Damn.
So mic check 1 2 1 2. So audio might not be as good right now. I ain't got my mics connected. I'm just talking straight to the camera right here, right? But check it out, man. Yesterday was a dope experience. I went to Fort Worth Barber Supply. They had an event. Seancutshair Cutsbykenna and Nicole Renae were there giving a class, you know, haircutting techniques, talking about social media, talking about just being a barber, you know what I'm saying? I think they dropped a lot of good gems. I really enjoyed the class, and I've been doing this 16 years. I'm a 16-year barber in the game, about to be 17 years. And I still go to these classes. I know a lot of people talk about they don't do classes because you don't learn much. But me personally, I enjoy going to classes. I enjoy hearing other people speak and just hear their perspective and see where their mind's at in the barber industry, right? So I really enjoyed it. I thought it was a good class. Once again, shout out to Fort Worth Barber Supply for hosting a great event. Shout out to Cutsbykenna. Shout out to Seancutshair, and shout out to Nicole Renae. Y'all put on a great class. You know, I want y'all to know, I don't know if y'all gonna see this, but I want y'all to know y'all did a great class. But with that being said, man, you know, I had a great time, talked to a couple people out there, got some pictures. I really didn't have a lot of time to get a lot of content. I was kind of just living in the moment, you know, just watching, learning. And to add to it, I was helping Sean record some stuff for his YouTube video. So if y'all see some of the clips, your boy was behind the camera on those. But I was taking time out to help him, so I didn't really get a lot of content. But as y'all see in the video, I got some clips of the class at Fort Worth Barber Supply. But with that being said, check it out, man. We're here. We're back in Houston. We made it home safely. And I just pulled up to Illumination Barber College. Shout out to my boy Tito, the one barber. There's going to be an event here for Squire. Squire is here in Houston. My boy Jay Majors hit me up and said, Tank, we having an event. You need to pull up on us. So, you know, your boy pulled up. I'm going to see if I can get some footage for y'all of this event. Most likely I'm going to get a little bit of footage for y'all. You know that, right? But we're going to try to get some footage for y'all. We're going to see how it looks. And we just, yeah, man, I don't know what this video basically is going to be when I'm done with it. But I just appreciate y'all for rocking with your boy. And if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, smash that like button, comment, share with your friends, all that good stuff. But yeah, man, that's what your boy did yesterday, and that's what I'm doing today. So with that being said, man, we're gonna go ahead and jump inside. I'm here early. It don't start till 6, but I told them I was gonna show up a little early, and where I can help set up, you know, whatever they need your boy for. You know, I'm always down to help other people when they come to my city, right? But with that being said, man, I'm gonna go ahead and jump inside and see if they need help with anything and set up. Let's get it.
Damn it, Tito. Another one?
I am the community director of Squire Technologies. First, I would like to acknowledge the most important people in this room, and that's the students, because this is our future. So please give these young men a round of applause right now. Just to let you guys know, you are embarking in a career that has not only saved my lives, but you have the ability to impact your community, right? And I know some guys on Instagram make it look real cool, but at the end of the day, it starts with that chair, right? And I always say, if the chair's not spinning, you're not winning. Start your foundation with good customer service, good sanitation, treat your clients right, and you will watch the doors that your clients will open for you, okay? There's no such thing as self-made. I see that in people's Instagram bio. We all have somebody or someone that planted that seed, whether it's Tito or someone like Dave that's been in my life. So just remember that we are servants in our community. You have to blow up in Houston before you blow up in Dallas, then before you blow up in Dallas, in LA. If you want to be worldwide, it starts from home. So I just want to let you guys, give you that little gem.